Hello everyone, a new SME IPO is going to open on the 26th of June. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Pentagon Rubber Limited. Pentagon Rubber Limited is a Punjab-based leading manufacturer of rubber conveyor belts, transmission belts, general purpose belts, super abrasion belts, heat fire and oil resistance belts, pipe conveyor belts, chevron conveyors, rubber sheets and elevator belts. Objects of the issue: the company intends to utilize the net proceeds from the issue towards the funding of the following objects, to meet working capital requirements and general corporate expenses. IPO opens on the 26th of June, closes on 30th of June. Units will be allotted on the 5th of July. Company is going to list on the 10th of July. You can apply for IPO with a minimum amount of 1 rupee. 30,000. One lot is of 2,000 shares and it is going to list at NSE SME platform. Thanks for watching the video.